Hello everyone, this is Jim from the Art of Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on the day of Fed meeting, Fed interest rate decision day. Alright, we will cover all those things in our afternoon video, but to start the day, we have three charts already. So the charts of this video: Ethereum, the first one; wheat prices, second one; and the last, Gbp Japanese Yen. That's the last one. Just before start to our video, today is really a busy day. Today, what will happen? First, we have received European area unemployment rate, and it was released as expected. Previous month 7.5, and this month is 7.4. So unemployment is slightly decreasing and declining in European area, and this is a good thing. And also we have received Jackson manufacturing index in China, and that slowdown is fading away. We have received slightly higher than expected. It's a good thing, and that's also a good thing for market. Also, we have ADP private employment data from US this afternoon, crude oil stocks this afternoon, ISM non-manufacturing data this afternoon, and this evening we will have Fed meeting decision and speeches, interest rate tapering, outlook, all will be spoken tonight. All right, we will just go like this. That's why today is really busy day. All right, let's start with Ethereum prices. As you can see on Ethereum prices, it has tested all the time highs, and then right now we see the price is trading at 45 and 90, almost 4600 levels in Ethereum. But just before do that, we may see some relaxation, we may see some sell-off, because Ethereum really works well with RSI. When it just hits above 70 level, then it just starts to give sell-off signals, just like this. You see previous green candles, and on the last one we have started to see like a end of fill, and also a red sell-off signal. So if this just goes deeper, then just sell it. And support line is here. Support line is 44.11 area. Until that area, you can just make it and then wait on there. And if just goes down, then the sell-off will get fastened. But right now, it is just giving signal for a short correction. Cryptocurrencies are just doing well these days. The most important thing is it's not exchanging between each others, not from altcoins to big players and big players to altcoins. The market cap is growing. This is a good sign for whole markets. All together they are rising. This is a good thing. If the market cap growth stops, then we should worry some, because then today Ethereum, tomorrow Solana, blah blah, like this, it will just, the money just will change its place. As long as the market grows, we can expect good things in crypto markets, but still it has to make some correction as usual in every instrument. RSI is just giving the signals on that one. When RSI gives all these signals, it just made its move exactly. That's why just watch it, and when you see the really strong sell signal, then just sell and make your profit. Let's look at wheat prices. All right, we are on wheat chart. Why I'm just advising you wheat, you see right now, because from the beginning of 700 area, I was telling all my followers that wheat is gonna go up. Wheat is gonna go up. This global climate change is supporting the price of wheat. Global food inflation is supporting the wheat. And yeah, money can be printed with like a from thin air, but for these kind of wheat, soybean, and these kind of important agricultural commodities cannot be produced with from thin air. You have to cultivate the land, you have to seed the land, you have to fertilize, you have to wait, and you have to harvest. It's a long process. You cannot make them in just one click of the button, just print out it. So the population of the world is urbanizing. Then from rural area, it's getting less people. So people who are supplying our food chain is just changing. With the last rains, sudden rains, a lot of floods has happened in India, in China, in these places. Why I'm saying this one? Because almost half of the world population lives in that area. And in fact, in those agricultural area affects whole global supply chain. On the last month, China has imported 25-26% more grain. These are not something simple. If you just track these things, you see that a price hike is coming. So still I'm saying that if we don't see any progress in global food supply chain, these prices even go higher. Right now, this is the line which we draw on this area, and then we said that, and as long as it's above this trend line, we will see high levels. So still it's above the trend line. That means we will see higher levels in wheat. That's important. Please just trade according to this one. And this global climate change is not helping the cultivation of food production as well. It's not helping them. All right, let's look at GBP Japanese Yen prices. Our last chart is GBP Japanese Yen. As we have told earlier, the new Japanese Prime Minister is just trying to add some value to Japanese yen, because right now it's really less valued, and it's affecting the inflation in a negative way, because in Japan inflation is just another case of the world, because everywhere just facing problem with inflation. But 4 years, for almost like a 10 years in Japan, they are facing with deflation. Prices are not surging, people don't spend. So these Japanese these kind of like this high level of Japanese yen is just helping deflation go deeper. That's why the new prime minister doesn't want that happen. All the prices of imported goods are getting higher and people spend less. That's why it's happening. So you can expect that another accumulation period in this area. Then we may see another trial on this one, but eventually it will just go a bit down more and it will just consolidate, because they don't want too much valuable Japanese yen, because their economy is heavily dependent on exports. They have to make export. They cannot their competitiveness to China, its neighbor China. That's why they have to keep their money devaluated. And then we will just see kind of 153, 152 area is the targeted right now, the targeted area, but it will take time. Let me just show you from 158 to 155. It take almost 15 days, like more than 15 days to reach this market move. So it will just take time, and then some accumulation in this level between 154 and 156. Then we will just see another decline in this one to help to ease deflation and to raise some inflation in Japan. Alright, thank you so much for watching. We will be together on more news this afternoon, and especially dollar index and related instrument will be our topic for the next video, in afternoon video, and then we will discuss what we can expect in Fed interest rate speeches. Have a nice day. Bye.